We are reviewing the expenses for August 2nd, 2024. As shown here, there are a total of 12 entries for this date, with each page displaying a maximum of 5 entries. Okay, let's move on now to deletion of an existing record. Let's delete an entry and verify if the same has been updated by refreshing the page. As you can see, the deleted entry has been removed from the database. We can also delete multiple records of a given date in one go itself by checking all the relevant checkboxes. Let's move on to the next functionality of this particular tab, which is to modify in place an existing record. Now, going ahead to modify an existing record. We'll change the amount spent on groceries from 400 rupees to 450 rupees and also slightly update the corresponding note. We can also modify multiple records for a given date in one go and click Confirm Record Modification button. Let's look at the final functionality in this tab, which is to add a new expense to the database. Now let's go ahead and add a new expense for August 2nd. For instance, say I spent 100 rupees on a Code Basics hoodie. I'm going to add that and proceed to click on the Confirm Record Addition button. Let's confirm if the record has been added successfully. Moving on to the second tab in our expense management system. Let's examine the category-wise spending breakdown for the selected period, which is from August 1st to August 5th. We select the period and then click on the Get Analytics button. A bar chart and a corresponding table with the data pops up. Let's proceed to the third tab in the dashboard view. Moving on to the monthly analytics, we will look at reviewing the expenses across all the months in 2024 for 4 of the categories, namely food, transportation, shopping, and entertainment. Once again, a bar chart and an accompanying table with the relevant data is seen. Now let's look at the total amounts down for all the categories in the year 2024 across all the months. Moving on to the next tab. Let's analyze the analytics by day of week or period of the week, such as weekday or weekend. First, we'll examine the total weekend spending across all the 10 categories. Now let's proceed further and analyze and review the total amount spent on weekends in the shopping and entertainment categories. Last but not the least, let's search for all expenses with a specific note across all months in 2024. We will look to find the record corresponding to the Code Basics hoodie that we just entered into the database. And voila! There it is,